This partnership makes so much sense because you and Microsoft, really sees the value in She Loves Tech and the value that we bring to the ecosystem.
I'm joined by Liane Robbers, the co-founder of She Loves Tech. Liane, thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having me, Ahmed.
So Liane, how do you see our partnership with She Loves Tech enable women entrepreneurs realize their ambition and dreams in Asia?
This is such a great partnership between She Loves Tech, the world's largest startup competition and accelerator program for women in technology, to be partnering with Microsoft to accelerate our goals of unlocking $1 billion for women entrepreneurs. So when we think of a founder, we think of a man. And unfortunately, so do venture capitalists. So there's so many obstacles at every stage of a woman's life to be successful in tech. And through our partnership, Microsoft will provide tools to our women entrepreneurs through cloud services, automation tools, all with Microsoft products. And they will have skilling resources and co-selling opportunities to help the startups grow from early stage to unicorns.
Liane, we are very energized with the opportunity, but as a wider tech industry, what can we do to better support tech entrepreneurs?
Well, there are three things that come to mind: mentorship, collaboration, and investment. So for mentorship, there's so many things that young startups can learn from tech giants like Microsoft. But I really see that this mentorship to be bi-directional as well. There's a lot of things that somebody like Microsoft or large companies can also learn from startups. For example, having an entrepreneurial mindset and agility. The next, collaboration. I really foresee a future where large companies and also small startups will work much closer together. And then lastly, investment. There's going to be so much more investment that goes into the tech startup ecosystem, and this will be fueled by the wider tech industry.
I completely agree with you, Liane. This is why we are applying our customer-first mindset, redesigning our operations, and hiring more people from startups in Asia, creating access to our global network of tech experts and mentors to become an integral part of the startup ecosystem and to support startups from idea to unicorn. We have the founder of a growing startup here with us today. Noodle Factory is a semi-finalist from She Loves Tech startup competition this year, who are transforming education with artificial intelligence.
Noodle Factory is an AI platform that uses natural language processing to interact with students and at the same time to really augment what teachers do. So it's great because a lot of times it's developed by men, but the users are women. And actually Noodle Factory is a great example. We're an ed tech platform and actually more than 75% of teachers are female. So our users are female, and I think that's something unique that women founders can actually bring, because we understand from their experience, we understand what they're looking for, and it's not just a tool, but it's really about the experience as well.
Many thanks to Liane from She Loves Tech and Yvonne from Noodle Factory for joining me today and sharing your insights with us. Asia has become the world's newest innovation engine, and I'm really looking forward to how we can continue to empower the ecosystem and startups at every stage of development. Feel free to also share with me in the comments below if you have any insights or thoughts on the startup ecosystem in Asia. Until next time, thank you.